Thinking of driving your Benz through flooded water? Well, stop and think twice. What looks like a harmless puddle can cause serious damages. Water can enter the engine and cause hydrolock, which may completely destroy the engine. It can also damage the transmission, contaminate the engine oil, ruin wheel bearings, affect the suspension, and cause your brakes to become less effective. Even worse, water can damage your Mercedes electrical system, sensors, control modules, and wiring, leading to expensive repairs and persistent warning lights. Remember, your Benz is engineered for luxury and performance, not for flooded roads. If your road is flooded, don't risk it. Turn around and take a safer route and protect your investment.